So we've got a 2018 Subaru Forester. Due to the design of the engine, you can see that there's going to be some oil down inside the spark plug tubes. That little black ring that's right there, that's the spark plug tube gasket. It's part of the valve cover assembly. If you have any type of erratic running issues or misfires that are intermittent, that only show up sometimes, or to the extent that they're extremely bad, this spark plug tube can actually be filled with oil, causing misfire issues. See on the other bank, we have oil down inside as well. And then you'll see in the other spark plug tube here too that there's in fact oil down inside of it, and there's actually oil sitting right in the lip of where the ring is.